Hi everyone, today I have a new lens. I picked it up used at a really good price. And this is the Olympus M.Zuiko Digital 12-40mm f2.8. Now this is the original version, not the new OM System branded version, which has a few advantages. But since I was able to get this so cheap, yeah, pretty excited to test it out. Yeah, it's a cool lens. Let's go take some pictures. So this may be a bit of a challenge. I was expecting some early spring flowers, but there don't seem to be many out here, or any in fact. So I think we'll just probably be taking a lot of pictures of moss. Maybe dogs too, but anyway. Yeah, this is kind of interesting. Not if the dog walks through it. Okay, now the water is cleared. All right, let's go. Here's some bleeding heart just coming up. That should make it for a nice photo. We'll use the focus stacking with this one. All right. So I think that focus stack may have come out really nicely. That's one of the great things about this camera, the OM System OM Mark II, because it has the in-camera focus stacking.
Why don't I take him from those?
Okay.
Those are pretty. And they're not flowers, but they're pretty.
Here we have some mushrooms. Oh, those are very pretty. Ooh, there's a skunk cabbage. Now, I think for this, we will turn focus stacking off. I think this will be better. More of an environmental shot with a bright aperture. F2.8. Yeah. Cool. Oh, that's nice. See here. Now this is nice as well. In fact, this would be a good situation for focus stacking again. This is quite pretty as well. The moss is very nice today out here. Gorgeous. And here we finally have some flowers. However, there's a slight breeze, so focus stacking may not be the best option here. It does require that your subject stay still and that you remain as motionless as possible as well. Yeah, there is a bit of motion in these, so I'm just going to, I think, close down the aperture a little bit. I'll get a little bit more depth. And I think I've got this on a pretty good even plane of focus. So I may try again here with at f2.8 as well. And there. Oh, that's a very nice result. So these mushrooms aren't exactly fresh, but this is another good circumstance for the focus stacking. And I think I will increase the focus differential here. Get a little bit better depth of field. Oh. And brace myself a little bit there, just it's really still. Got some very pretty bits of moss here on top of these cement barriers. Let's see here. Composition, right? That's pretty nice. I think I want a brighter aperture and a less of a focus differential. All right. And zoom in a little bit more of a longer focal length. Oh, much better. That's much better. But I think I can do even better here. We almost put the camera down. Oh, I like that one. Very nice. So it's raining now, but there's some really nice virga out there I want to photograph. And there we go. Time to head home. Now, I'm not actually worried about this gear getting wet because of the OM1 Mark II and the 12-40mm lens are both weather sealed. So this is nothing for them. Of course, the newer model is better weatherproofed and does have a coating on the lens that shouldn't be as that should do a better job of repelling rain. However, yeah, this is fine for this kind of weather. So this was a different sort of video. Hopefully it's enjoyable to watch. I've been filming with the GoPro Hero 13 Black and the ultra wide lens mod for a sort of a point of view experience. And yeah, kind of a more dynamic, quicker to produce video. I'm just sharing my first impressions of this cool little lens. And yeah, hopefully you enjoyed it. I'll see you all again next time. Bye.